So this is the 1-inch Bond brand garden tie tape. It is super reliable, it's super strong, it is malleable. You know, you can pull it and stretch it a little bit, which basically means that it is going to grow with the growth of your plants. So that as your plant gets larger and expands, the tie tape itself is actually going to stretch out a little bit. This will keep your plants from getting growth stunted. This will keep your plants so that they're continuing to grow upward and they're going to have more mobility and they're not going to be stuck on that stake, which will eventually stunt their growth and stunt their height. I discovered this brand probably 5 or 6 years ago shopping at Ace Hardware. I would recommend this Bond garden tie tape to anyone that's gardening, whether they're gardening small scale, such as our DIY garden container today, or even somebody that is working in a capacity where they're trying to stake something more large scale. So if we're talking about a wall climbing vine, I would recommend it for anyone, whether you're doing a small scale or a large scale job. This will work for both needs. Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.